In 2026, having certifications won't get you a DevOps job. The people on LinkedIn flexing their 5 cert badge are mostly the ones still applying 9 months in. Every cert prep channel is actually monetized on the next exam that you book. The cert pipeline became its own industry and convinced career switchers that the next cert is what's between them and the offer. Some job specs still ask for it, sure, but here's what the hiring manager actually does. They open your CV, they see 5 certs and no project proving that you stood up production infrastructure, and they assume that you're a cert collector who can't ship. This is how hiring managers think now, because that's what the market taught them to think. Like, past the screening, the certs are just an embarrassment. They used to mean something, but because everyone has it now, it's created a negative stigma around certs because you're just someone who can take theory, but you can't prove that you've actually worked in production. So as a result, even mentioning that you have the cert has a negative impact. What actually gets you hired is that one project that takes a service from a blank account to a deployed environment. That's what you need. That's what hiring managers are looking for. Forget even the years of experience. Someone with 6 months of self taught knowledge with a good production grade project can actually beat someone with 5 years of experience, because there are companies out there, you could work for them for 5 years, but a lot of the time you're working on legacy tools, something specific to that company, and that's not desirable in the market. So that 6 months that this boot camper does is more valuable than all those years of experience that this person has. That's what the current market is right now, and I've seen a lot of people focus on the wrong things. Here's what you can actually do instead. If you want, you can get the solutions architect associate, then spend 3 months building a project that uses 10 of the services you studied, and you're doing it just for the sake of studying and understanding the services, not to prove, oh, I've got an AWS certification. Spend a little bit of money, and then once you've built that project and you can prove that, tear everything down. That is more valuable. And if you want guidance on how to actually get hired in the current tech market, then just comment or DM me the word roadmap.